Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys a garden tour in a way, but not an official one, because this is the first video you guys are going to see in the comments of the Ultimate Veggie Garden. You guys heard it right. As you can see, the garden has been ripped up of all flowers and shrubs, and they have been moved towards the front. The flowering annuals and the shrubs that weren't up to par have been thrown away, but the special plants that mean a lot to me have been salvaged and planted in front. This garden is going to be transformed into a vegetable garden, and you might be wondering why the sudden change. Well, please stay tuned with us so you can see this amazing garden tour as well as the explanation behind the entire transformation. So, Ultimate Gardeners, explaining to you guys why I decided to do this transformation. Number one, because I posted a photo on my social media platforms, on YouTube and on Instagram, even on TikTok, that I harvested my very first cabbage, and I was so excited, and I was super happy to see I grew my own food, especially within a few months. So I got so much excitement and hunger to do more that I decided that the flowers were gonna be in the front of the house and the vegetables in the back. So now the entire backyard, or my garden personally, is gonna be transformed to pure vegetables, nothing else. So let me turn around the camera and let's start this garden tour. So, Ultimate Gardeners, the garden isn't as up to par as it would used to. You can see we have bare stuff all around, but starting with the new area that was put in this year, so we could definitely notice plants are in here. So here we have the Mindori giant soybean. These actually have pods on them already, which is exciting. Can't wait to see those. I don't know if those are the actual pods or if those are flowers. They're gonna stay here. I don't have any more seeds, so this will have to do. I have the Star Rosalie tomatoes, which I was actually coming and reviewing these, and when I look close, there's already flower buds, which is exciting. Second, we have the bean patch. You guys, I was so thrilled to see that my beans are doing amazing. Look how lush and full they are looking. So this variety is the early contender bush bean. You can see the tag back there. So this is one of the earlier bushes, and you can even see we have a bean. Second here, I think, let me see, no, I have a tag. This is the provider bush beans. These, I haven't checked up on these as often as the other ones, but I do know we have a few pods here and there, and so that's good. They look healthy, nothing that major. Then we have a husky red tomato here. These are going to be moved to the tomato garden. We have a few tomatoes here, which is exciting. We have the unknown tomato. We have fava beans in the back right here. Then we have the cucumbers. You guys, these are the mini munch cucumbers from Territorial Seed Company, and look at them. They are flowering and producing, and I think it was this one that already had baby cucumbers. Then we have more beans in front, but these will be all transferred over there because that's going to be our bean patch. We have Black Prince tomatoes, which are going to be moved to the tomato garden. This is going to be a pepper garden. It's not so clean right now because I just started the renovation. We have the classic red mandevilla vine. It's not looking so hot right now. It's the end of season, though. That's what's expected. So this is going to be our tomato patch. We have a few beans, garlic in here, moved here and there, but I will move them eventually. We are planning to fill this up with tomatoes and have this full of tomatoes so we could enjoy them. I ordered a few just recently, so I'm excited for that. I wanted to give you guys an update on the Smart Pots raised bed. One of them did die. They're not looking so happy, like the tops are, but the bases aren't. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. They haven't flowered yet, so it's a bit unknown. So I'm gonna just leave them there, and if they don't do anything, they're gonna be replaced. So we have a few seeds started right here. We have spinach, tomatoes, more beans, China jade cucumbers, snow peas, more tomatoes. And this area, you can see we have the papyrus that has to be removed. So this is gonna be my cauliflower bed, I think. Yeah, this is gonna be my cauliflower bed until notice. This is gonna be the herb vegetable garden, the herbs. You can see I already tilled up some of the soil around it because I planted some seeds, and then here I have some cilantro, slow boat cilantro. We're gonna use that backspace as well. And then this area is gonna be full of green tin squash, which I'm excited about. Over here we have the zucchini patch. This is full of green emerald zucchini. Then we have the cabbage patch. I planted a few baby plants. They don't look so happy right now. Looks like we have a few that are getting there. They're getting there. Then we have a singular tomato right here. Has been chomped on by something, but I did clean it up. And yes, we do have a few baby tomatoes. So that's gonna be the mini garden tour. We do have this new area I showed you guys how to do. I will have to till it and do new stuff with this because as you can notice, we have like this line that comes from up here when it rains. So that's a huge thing we have to be careful with. So yeah, let's go ahead and wrap it up. Gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, I gave you guys a garden tour or an update on what's happening in the garden because there's a lot of things happening in the garden. Like I always say, the garden's never complete, never done. So this garden has been through it and it's gonna be amazing, so please stay tuned with us. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.